It's the giant among super sports cars. With around 2,000 horsepower, this hypercar from Croatia is more powerful than a tank and extremely fast. The sports car is currently in its hot development phase, but its power plant is already unrivaled. Its power is drawn from a socket.
It's full electrical. It pushes you in the seat like a rocket. It's amazing.
The engineers at the fledgling sports car factory use the results of the demanding crash and stress tests to optimize each millimeter of the supercar. At the end of 2020, Rimac will start production of an electric vehicle with the most powerful battery, the most stable chassis, and the best performance in the automotive industry. The C2.